Hey everybody, welcome back to Mr. Anderson's Algebra 1 lessons. And today we're going to be talking about multi-step equations. One of my favorites to do in algebra, to be honest. I love solving for x and I love helping you guys out. So I want to take a look at about two examples today. I'm going to keep the video short. First example is I want to show you a multi-step equation where the variable is on one side of the equation. And then I'm going to show you an equation where the variable is on both sides of the equation. So first off, let's take a look at, let's do this guy. Let's do an easy one. Let's do negative 84 equals negative 6 plus 6 times the quantity n minus 6. Now what this is going to do is that we have to learn a couple things or remember a couple things. The first thing we need to remember is about distribution, and we need to remember about combining like terms. Those are the big things here. So I'm going to combine the like terms and distribute this 6 together. So I'm going to distribute this through, and what that's going to do is it's going to make my term a lot easier to solve. So the negative 84 still stays the same on that side. The negative 6 stays there, but this 6 multiplies through. So 6 times n is 6n, and 6 times negative 6 is negative 36 when I multiply. Now I need to combine this guy and this guy. And so with that, I just simply subtract them or combine them or add them together. So I have negative 84 on this side, 6n minus negative 42. Okay, so I do that. And then what I do there is all I have to do is now it turns into something I know how to solve, and so I can add this to the other side, and I simply just add 42 here, 42 there, and I'm ending up with negative 42 equals 6n, and to solve, to get n by itself, I simply divide by 6 to each side, those cancel, n is equal to negative 7, and that is my answer. So that was solving an equation that took more than one step with a variable on one side of the equation. The next one I want to take a look at is a multi-step equation where there are there's one variable on one side and the same variable on the other side, but it's a different mix-up. So let's see here. I'm going to make this up off of the top of my head. So we got 4x minus 3 is equal to x plus, let's do 9 here, 9, okay? So here the object is to simply, we just have to combine like terms. So we want the x's to be together so we can solve, and then we also want the numbers on the other side of the variable, so that, or the other side of the equal sign, so that we can begin to simplify. So what I'm going to do, and what a hint is you want to move the smallest coefficient x first. So I want to move the smallest coefficient x, which is this guy, to the other side, and I do that by subtraction. So I'm going to subtract x here, and I'm going to subtract x there, and what I'm going to be left with is 3x, because you're taking away 1x from 4, which gives you 3x. So I have 3x minus 3 equals 9. Then I begin to add the 3 to the other side, and I have 3x equals 12, and now I begin to simply solve. Easy peasy, divide by 3 here and divide by 3 there, those cancel, and x is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And that's my answer. And so today this has been solving multi-step equations with Matt, and I hope you had a great day and learned something. Until next time, have a good one.